Hello there, welcome to Katy Sue. My name is Diane Bowden and today I'm here to talk to you about Katy Sue's range of metallic edged quilling strips. Now these strips are very useful when you want to add a little bit of sparkle to your quilling projects. These speciality strips use a special manufacturing technique to make them, which is quite rare, and there's only several companies around the world that are producing strips like these. They come in a range of finishes and colours. There's gold and silver, silver and gold holofoil, and metallic coloured edge strips as well. When you take them out of the packet, this is what they'll look like. This one is the solid gold with a gold edge, so you can see how shiny that one is. And this one here is a bright white with a silver holofoil edge. These ones really are very shiny. You can see how shiny it is when you turn the paper strip and it catches the light. Now I'm going to show you an application for the solid gold with a gold edge. We're going to make a candle flame, which is a good thing to use with the gold edge strips. It does make it look really shiny. So I'm just taking half a strip here of gold edge and rolling it up just to make a coil. And then we're going to make a teardrop shape, just a standard shape here. Just let it go. And you should already be able to see how shiny that is when if it picks up on the light there. And once I can get hold of it, pick it up. And I'm just going to adjust the layers a bit there so you can see. A little bit of glue on there just to secure the end. And I'm going to pinch the whole thing now into a nice big teardrop shape. It's on the back, but once we turn it over, you'll be able to see how that's picking up on the light, how shiny that is. So I'm just going to pop that on there and try it on my candle flame there. And I've just pre-made a candle sort of halo to go over the flame, so that will go on in between. So we'll put that on first, glue that down, and then add the candle flame afterwards, just to check that that fits, which it does. A little bit of glue on the back here to hold it onto the background. Not too much glue. The less glue you get away with, the better. And then we'll just glue that down. And now some glue on the back of your shape, just enough to hold it on. And our candle is lit. So hopefully you can see when it catches the light. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to metallic edge strips, and we do look forward to seeing what you will make with them. See you next time.